Oh, okie dokie. Night ride. Well, I don't think it's gonna... I don't know if this would be considered a night ride. This is more of an evening ride. Because we are effectively... Oh, that's a nice Evo. Yeah, we're effectively just doing a burger run, to be honest. Because, yeah, well, once I get on the road, I'll have a bit of a yearn as to how this all came about. And fingers crossed, ain't no boo-boos with my mic set up. Clear. Not so clear. Now clear. Let's get it. Change into sports mode, because I've been using street mode and everything detuned for essentially my weekly commute. And I can confirm, now that I'm back to uni, that my bike is a thirsty little because I filled up last week, 20 bucks, $20 dues. I mean, it's a little less than, actually no, filled up midweek actually, and then I filled it up again just then. Sheesh. Oh well, I can check next week, keep an eye on it. Filled up Friday, you know what, I'm gonna actually have to fill up again because of night ride and probably another ride Sunday or Saturday, so that's gonna definitely throw it off. Alright, so yeah, first of a bike. It's quite hungry on the fuel. I'm finally early, haha. Not like this morning trying to get to class. I was like, I think 13 minutes late or something like that. Thankfully they didn't get too far ahead. But like I was saying, first week, thankfully there's not a lot going on except for covering unit information. Alrighty buddy, you do not need to be slowing down unless you're dropping off someone, like, move it. Yep, now we're just waiting on Grandma because we just moved off. She just didn't make it, and I think she hasn't got many points, so she didn't want to risk it. Alright, Grandma's here. Let's make a move. Bumping back wheel, you little shit. But yeah, Monster, 2 S1000s, a Yummy, and what looks to be like a V4 stock. That S1000's wearing the same helmet as me. Haha. Yeah, I think his is just the 3.0 though. I don't think he's bought himself the 4s yet. Oh, no. Next one. Wrong turning. Really do be wasting time. semi-decent turnout. Yummy, Panny, and a monster and myself. So yeah, 6 people, that's not a bad turnout for a ride. I think we'll lose the monster midway towards the burgers joint that we're gonna end at, because she said it'll be pointless going into the city and then coming back out again, because she lives around that area. Chill back a bit, make sure everyone catches up so we're not broken up. This is the spot that everyone seems to just get cut up. Yeah, thank you, Devil, for covering the rear. Good man. The four-wheel drive's looking at me and he's doing the exact same thing, swerving. This is a good stretch of road to just zip straight through fast. But not on the weekend, because it's always so busy. So you have the military base there on the right. I think it's the military, or it might be Navy. It might be Navy, because the military base is elsewhere. Memory serves me right. I mean, it was either get complained at for not taking pictures or hill. I chose the hill. end it here. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for the continuous support for my channel. Now, if you are finding yourself on my channel more and more frequently, I would urge you to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and yeah, so you know when I have the next video up and running. And I hope to catch y'all in the next one.